In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen on Google Meet. This is an incredibly useful skill for anyone who is looking to present information, collaborate on projects, or assist others remotely. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make this as easy and straightforward as possible. First, you'll need to go to the Google Meet website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL meet.google.com. Then hitting enter. This will take you to the main landing page for Google Meet. Once you're there, look to the top right corner and you'll see a button that says Sign In. Go ahead and click on that to begin signing in. Next, you'll need to choose the Google account you want to use for your meeting. If you're not already signed into your Google account on your browser, a window will pop up prompting you to enter your credentials. Select your account and, if necessary, enter your password to sign in. Once that's done, you'll be taken back to the Google Meet homepage. Now, it's time to join your meeting. If you've been given a link to a specific meeting, you can click on that link, or simply enter the meeting code in the space provided and press Join. When you're in the meeting, you should see several icons at the bottom of the screen. Look for one that resembles a small screen with an arrow pointing out of it. This is the screen share icon, and you'll want to click on it to start the sharing process. You'll be presented with a choice of what you'd like to share. This might be your entire screen, a specific window, or a single browser tab. Choose the option that makes the most sense for what you want to present. If it's important that others hear audio from your tab, especially if you're, say, sharing a video, ensure that you also turn on the Also Share tab audio option. This will ensure that everyone in the meeting can hear the audio coming from the content you're sharing. Finally, after selecting the screen, window, or tab you wish to share, you'll want to click on the Share button. Once you do, everyone in the meeting will be able to see what you're presenting. You'll also notice a message reminding you that you are sharing your screen, usually highlighted at the top of the meeting window. And that's it. You've successfully shared your screen on Google Meet. It's a simple process, but incredibly powerful for effective online communication. Remember, when you're finished sharing, simply click on the Stop Sharing button to end screen sharing. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. See you in the next video.